Okay. All right, then here we go. Back to episode 2, whatever it is. Don't know. Don't know how I'm doing this yet. Still not. What I'm going to do is I'm going to build. I'm just going to build and decide. I've got some music on in the background, which is copyright free for streaming and stuff. So hopefully it will not get copyright strike. If it does, then it does. I don't earn money from this channel. I've got no adverts on it, so it doesn't really bother me. Right, these are all the little tiles of all the different headlines, which are really cool. These will not be able to be replicated, but just to show you a couple anyway. So there's all those. I might actually put them on a plate. Maybe not. Okay. Right, these are all the bag 2s. Okay, so this is bag 2. Remember, the first level is up to bag 3, and I'm going to try and build that in one day and record. We've got some minifigs to do, which is cool. We'll do those. Oh, don't you run away from me. We'll try and get these sorted. Right, so bags are emptied. Good job. Right, so let's get the minifig parts. And let me know if that is if you can hear that music in the background in the comments, or if it's too. Do you want to hear it? Is it too quiet? Blah blah blah. I mean, it's registering on the microphone, so hopefully it works. I had to pause then, stop talking. Right, let's see. We got any other minifig parts? Probably. Yeah, there's another piece. Okay. Someone's going to have a radio by the looks of things. Right, okay, so first minifig, who is this? Let's open the manual and take a look. This is Peter's College Crush and Ghost Spider Atlas, Gwen Stacy. Okay, good old Gwen Stacy, good job. I'm not going to second guess unless I'm absolutely sure, because I look stupid. Okay, she's got 2 faces. I'll show you the faces. So you've got 1, and then you've got a kind of look on the face. Okay, so that's her. Put her hair on. Okay, that's cool. So that's her. She's done. That was easy. Right, now this one. This is, looking on the list, this is Civilian, Bernie the cab driver, Amber Grant and Ron Barney. So this one is Ron Barney. Okay, where's his legs? Brown legs. There we go. Cool. Ron Barney, huh? Okay. Can't really see. So we got 2 faces again. Okay, we'll put that scary looking face on, I think, for this one. And hello. Okay, there we go. Cool. So that's him. That is, again, Ron Barney. Nice print on the torso, nothing on the legs. Very cool. Closer look at Gwen. She's got a print on the front, on the torso and on the back, and a nice hairpiece. GG's. So there we go. That's those. Let me know if this music is too loud. Shouldn't be. We'll see. Okay. So we don't need that piece. Good job. Here we go then, bag three. Bag threes. Bag threes. All the same date so far. This will probably be the last one for today. Which should be the finish of the first floor. So hopefully all goes well. We'll start off with the minifigs. Cool. Okay, cool. Oh my god, so many pieces. Okie dokie. So empty that out. Cool. Nice. Nothing extra. That's awesome. And in this one, we've got a couple of minifigs by the looks of things. What the heck is that? Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, I can't remember his name now. We got Spider-Man. And there. And there. All these pieces on the table always worries me. Worries me big time. Okay, hairpiece, face. Okay, gun. Is it a Punisher? Yeah, I think it's the Punisher. Right. Okay, there's another gun. Alrighty then. Okay, so the characters we are going to be building are. Let me grab my book. Here we go. Interesting. Doesn't actually say. Well, that's cool. Thanks for that. Right, so yeah, I was right. One is the Punisher. One is Spider-Man. Is it Spider-Man? Oh, it's Carnage. Yes, Carnage. Alien enemy of Spider-Man and Venom. And Punisher, brutal, unforgiving, vigilante, bad guys beware. Alright, so those are the two that we're going to be building right now. So, let's see. Okay. Righty ho. So we go you, and we go you. So this is Carnage. Why did I think it was Spider-Man? Oh my god, that's so bad. Okay. That goes on there. Nice. Okay. We've got, just so you can see, okay, the front, on the front he's got a face, okay, and on the back he's got like printed kind of cobwebby kind of pattern on his back. I think that's veins or something, I don't know. But whatever. Okay, so let's go. Oh, here we go. Okay, we want this, and then we want this. Okay, cool. Okay. So that goes like that, and that goes like that. Awesome. And that is going to be in his hand, which is no way is ever going to stand up with that. Okay, whatever. Okay, cool. Right, okay, that's that bit. Then we want another one of those. Okay, with this. Okay, and then okay, cool. There we go. Nice. Alright, that's that bit done. Now we need to do his back. Okay. One. Two. When I finish building this and doing the video and stuff, all these minifigures will be inside a display case. That's the intention of all of them that I build. Okay, because I love the minifigs. Let me know what you think. Do you buy sets for the minifigures, or do you just like building sets? I don't know. Okay, so it goes there. Okay, that one there. That is so cool. Awesome. Let's plop him on here so you can see him properly. There we go. There's Carnage. There we go. Very, very cool. I like that. Awesome. Okay, that's Carnage done. Right, Carnage, you need to sit over here. Behave yourself. Let's to Aunt May. Okay. Right. Okay. Next is my man Punisher, who's got two faces. I prefer this one. Right, with this one he's got like a band-aid over his right eye, and then on this one he's kind of suspicious looking. Okay, so let's put his hairpiece on. Very funky, like 70s, 80s hairpiece, Elvis Presley look. Alright, so there's him. Okay, so what do we want? We want... okay. That on there. And we've got... where's that? There. Okay. Okay. That's his... oh, I got you. Oh, I got you. Oh, I got you. Punisher's fully armed. Like, really, dude? A lot of guns. There we go. Alright, so there's the Punisher. He's very, very cool. Love the print on the front. Love the print on the face. And on the back, just like a continuation of his belt, his guns. He's definitely fully armed and ready to go. Okay, so he's going to fall over, guaranteed. Oh no, cool, cool. Right. There we go. Nearly finished this bag. 2 of them and 1 of them. Awesome. Okay, so we go. Finally, structure for that. Cool. And bag is done. Awesome. Bag 3 finished. Just so you can see it all. There we go. So that is ground floor done with sliding door. It does work now. Now it's all back together properly. Look. Sliding door. Awesome. So what I think I should do now is put these guys somewhere, or maybe not. Don't know. Yeah, maybe. I'll just put them at the back here. If I need to move them, I can move them later. Just so that they don't like get messed up. Okay, there we go. And then you can see them whilst I'm moving. Haha, awesome. Right then, that's it. Bag 3 done, 1 day. Bag 1, 2 and 3. This was 73 steps. 73 steps and finito. So, thanks for watching. Smash the like button, comment, subscribe. Let's get me up 10,000. I'm enjoying this a lot. Don't know if this is going to be how you hear this or whether I'm going to be doing speed build. Depends on comments on other videos. We'll see what happens. But I will definitely be streaming, even if it takes all day Saturday, the day before I go to America to finish this. I will stream it and I will finish it. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.